Study in Canada Scholarships 2024 to 25 by the Government of Canada. As the application period for the Study in Canada Scholarships 2024 to 25 is about to commence in the first quarter of 2024. This article is dedicated to the guiding international students through the application process, outlining the prerequisites and detailing the necessary documentation. The Study in Canada Scholarship is an initiative of the Canadian government that offers an extraordinary chance for international students to engage in short-term study or research projects in Canadian post-secondary institutions, thereby fostering global connections and promoting academic excellence. Who is funding Study in Canada Scholarships in 2024? The Study in the Canada Scholarships are designed to enhance the international presence of Canadian educational institutions, allowing them to build and diversify their global linkages, funded by Global Affairs Canada. These scholarships support the Government of Canada's broader international trade diversification efforts and aim to strengthen the bilateral relationships through educational exchanges. Eligibility criteria. To be eligible for this Study in Canada Scholarship for the session of 2024 to 25, applicants must be enrolled full-time at a post-secondary institution in their home country and pay tuition fees at the time of application and throughout the exchange period. Be citizens of eligible countries in Asia: Nepal, Bangladesh, Taiwan, Europe, Ukraine, Turkey, Middle East and North Africa, Morocco, Egypt, Jordan, Algeria, Tunisia or Sub-Saharan Africa, Ethiopia, Burkina Faso, Uganda, Ivory Coast, Nigeria, Rwanda, Senegal, Tanzania, Kenya, Ghana. Canadian institutions must be designated learning institutions (DLI) with the valid students exchange agreements, particularly for college or undergraduate study. Sponsorship value of the Study in Canada Scholarship 2024. The Study in Canada Scholarship provides a range of funding opportunities tailored to different levels of study. This financial support is designed to cover various expenses associated with the studying abroad, including visa fees, airfare, health insurance, living expenses, transportation, and essential study materials. This Canadian government scholarship aims to ease the financial burden on international students and ensure a smooth educational experience in Canada. How to apply for Study in Canada 2024-25 scholarship. List of required documents for scholarship application: signed privacy notice statement, proof of citizenship, passport or national identity card, invitation letter from Canadian supervisor,